Artificially intelligent learning software allows students to work at their own pace, while freeing up the teacher to move around the classroom and work one-on-one with students who need help the most. But in practice, the teacher is often left out of the loop in these classrooms, as the AI takes full control of the instruction. Although the software may be enough for many students much of the time, situations regularly arise that a human teacher is best suited to deal with. As artificial intelligence comes to the classroom, we see its role as enhancing human teachers' abilities, not replacing them. Working with K-12 math teachers, we've designed Lumilo, a pair of eyeglasses that tune teachers in to the real-time assessments that drive intelligent learning software. When a teacher glances around the room, Lumilo allows them to instantly see when students are currently struggling in the software, doing well, or when they're unlikely to master certain skills without an intervention from the teacher. In addition, Lumilo lets teachers see when students have been idle for a while, or are currently misusing the software by abusing hints or gaming the system. When a teacher gazes at a student's indicator, the system explains why this alert is showing. And when a teacher clicks on a student, a deep dive window appears, debriefing the teacher on what the student is currently working on and the areas in which the student is struggling the most. After providing help, the teacher can set a reminder to check in again soon with this student, and can monitor whether the student improves over the next few minutes or might need another intervention from the teacher. Teachers can also monitor a summary of the whole classroom's performance to decide whether a class-level intervention, such as a mini-lecture, might be in order. Glancing around the class over the next few minutes then becomes a fast way to sense whether or not the intervention worked.